The prettiest girl in the world. Is Daddy getting sugars with that hairy thing on his face? I don't like it so much either. Would that tickle? Did that tickle, sweetie?
Your face.
Look at your outfit.
Yes, he does.
The prettiest girl in the world. Sweet baby girl. You had a big poo-poo for me. It was awesome. Never been so happy about poop in my life. Yeah. It was stinky too. Yes, it was.